Yeah.
Good girl.
Hey.
Who's fussing?
They're
Oh, jeez. Oh, man.
Be nice.
Oh,
He's getting
that's
everybody.
hilarious.
I love it. I got them on video here. They're cute. Hey, is that the boy?
Yeah.
He's feisty.
What are you doing?
This is on feisty.
Everyone's tinkling now that they've woke up.
I would say, but they seem like they're going on the potty pad, which is
do.
great.
Yeah.
Look at Belle. She's like, I think I'll go after him too. That's funny. Look at. So she's not as docile as you think she might be.
Oh, no, man. They
She's-
had that milk and off
Yeah.
they go, right? Wow.
They had to have their power now.
Look at this
Yeah.
one. He's eating her tail, and she keeps trying to walk away.
Oh, man.
It's so funny.
Yeah, it's-
Look at. He's just not letting up. Oh,
oh, that's funny.
they're cute. And then Belle's over here.
Get him, Belle. Get him.
Jesus.
They're adorable.
Sebastian.
Hi, Willow.
Princess Sebastian.
Hi,
wants to come.
Willow.
There we go.
It's a good girl, huh?
So soft. Yeah.
I know. You're so soft, huh? Yeah. Oh, now you want loving now, huh?
Now it's okay.
Yeah.
And this one, if we put him in there, he'd freak out. Do you want him there?
Oh, wow.
No. No.
It's like a playpen of rowdy puppies. Look at them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Pearl's decided to pee over there again.
no, I was looking at. Belle's got the ball now. She says, I'm done with that. Well, that's cute. I'm glad we got a chance to see them all up and rowdy.
Yeah.
After their little food coma.
Yeah. So cute.
Yeah, it's funny.
Willow's like, okay, I think it's time for you people to go.
Everyone's
check-
fine.
Hi, Willow.
It looks like she's literally counting. Uh-oh.
Nobody's touching.
Now we're all peeing just anywhere, I think.
Uh-oh.
Yep, that's okay. Look
Bound
at
to
you,
happen with
bossy.
4-week-olds. They're 4 weeks now, right?
Today.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
She's dragging him down. Hey.
You just pulling the leg.
Hey, she can defend herself.
Sebastian,
Yeah,
what
she
are you
can.
trying to
She's
get?
gonna need to.
Oh, so sweet though. Dang. Get that tail.
I
Get
know.
her, Pearl. Get her.
Pearl's so little.
Look at, they're all gonna be in a chain before you know it. Grabbing each other's tails. Belle's like, come back here.
Doing much better on her hind legs now.
Is that thunder?
Oh, already?
It was raining, yeah, when you.
It was
guys-
starting to sprinkle.
Yeah, it was starting
Yeah.
to rain a
Well,
little
it was
bit coming.
hard, raining a little hard.
Oh.
Oh,
little
was
bit
it?
harder.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Oh, you're trying, buddy. Keep
Willow.
going. Yep, you
Yes.
did it. You did it.
Willow, come clean up your boy.
Ugh. You're pooping everywhere. You're pooping everywhere. Ah.
Here, Will.
This is the gross part about having puppies.
Yes. We raised golden retrievers for many years. And, you know, they'll have 10, 12 puppies in a litter, you know. And
I couldn't imagine. That'd be so many. And they get big too.
Good mama. Good mama. Clean him up.
make sure Willow's okay.
Here, look, Willow.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, we better head out.
Will, get in here.
I
Get
don't want
this.
Toby to be scared in the truck.
Clean up after them. Watch out for him. Look.
Hi, babies.
Hey, look.
Hi, babies.
Clean.
She's alert. She like follows the noise and